How do anglers survive remote overnight fishing trips? Imagine spending a night in the wild, surrounded by water and wildlife, with only your gear and skills to keep you safe and successful. That's what these trips are all about. To survive and thrive, anglers need to plan carefully. First, they pack the right gear. A sturdy fishing rod and reel suited to the fish they target are essential. They carry extra lines, hooks, and lures because losing gear can happen easily in the wild. Tools like pliers and line cutters help handle fish and fix equipment. Beyond fishing gear, they bring shelter like tents or tarps, warm sleeping bags, fire-starting supplies, and a first aid kit. Navigation tools such as maps and GPS devices are also vital to avoid getting lost. Food and water are packed, but many anglers also catch fish to supplement their supplies. Knowing where fish like to hide is key. Fish often stay near cover like logs, rocks, or underwater plants. Changes in water depth or color also attract fish. Before heading out, anglers study the waterway to find these spots. Sometimes fish hang around man-made structures like docks or bridge pilings. Using natural bait like worms or insects helps attract fish. When gear is limited, anglers might hand line with just a hook and bait or set passive traps like woven baskets. In emergencies, they might use fish guts or eggs as bait to lure fish. It's important to follow local rules about fishing methods. Fish are a reliable food source. Most freshwater fish can be cleaned and cooked over a fire. Proper cleaning and cooking prevent illness. Sometimes, eating fish raw is possible but riskier. Staying warm and dry is crucial. A simple shelter keeps out wind and rain. Fire provides heat, cooking, and signals for help if needed. Weather conditions must be watched closely and plans adjusted accordingly. Knowing how to signal for rescue and giving first aid are useful skills. When planning an overnight trip, research the destination's fish species, habitats, and rules. Pack versatile gear and practice survival skills beforehand. On the water, move quietly and observe fish behavior. Use techniques suited to the environment and respect nature. Fish respond to natural cues, so mimicking their environment helps catch more. Respect for the habitat and catch and release practices help keep fish populations healthy. From the fish's point of view, success depends on how well the angler reads the water and mimics natural conditions. Fish notice disturbances and prefer areas with cover and food. Anglers who stay patient, observant, and gentle with their approach are more likely to succeed. These trips blur the line between sport and survival, but those who prepare well and respect the environment will enjoy their time in the wild. They'll come back with stories, fish, and a better understanding of how to survive and succeed in remote fishing adventures.